Welcome to Little Learner's Education. Today we're gonna have fun in the Tuff Spot, playing revise.
Hello and welcome to Little Learner's Education. Today we're going to go step by step through the setup of this fun Tuff Tray activity with ice. This activity supports children's exploratory, creativity and problem-solving skills through investigating and melting the ice. For this Tuff Tray activity, we used different colours of water, various items to place inside the water. We've chosen magnetic letters, Pom Poms, plastic insects and different plastic objects. Various items to fill with water. We've chosen balloons, a plastic glove, different size containers and a plastic egg. An ice tray, a jug and a soap dispenser filled with water, pipettes and a funnel and some salt. To extend and continue the play, we added frozen jelly and hammers.
Please like and subscribe down below, and feel free to check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Goodbye from Little Learner's Education.